Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to enable Facebook professional mode on Android. So let's begin. Now let's click on the Facebook application. Now from here you have to click on your profile menu on the upper right corner. From here you can click on your profile and then you can click on the three dots right over here, and then if you scroll down you'll be able to see that there is option called turn on professional mode. If you click on this and then you click on turn on, you will be able to enable Facebook professional mode. Now just to walk you through, I'm going to click next again. Then you have to choose your default audience. Obviously public is suggested for monetization. I'm going to click public and next. After that you have the review section. You can click on confirm. And then we have the monetization tools. I'm going to click next again, and then the professional tool, let's click next again. Now from here, if you select add frame and share update to feed, you can click this one if you want to add frame and share update to feed. However, I don't want this option, so I'm going to disable it and click on skip. So congrats, you're ready to start using professional mode. So as you can see, I have enabled Facebook professional mode on my Android device. Now I can go to professional dashboard and see what I need to do. So guys, that's how you can enable your Facebook professional mode on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.